Hi, this is Glenn Saunders. I'm with the Manufacturing Innovation Center at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute with the project Swarm Robotics for Large Structure Manufacturing, partnered with Pavilion Technologies, LLC. So what our system does fundamentally is help the operators who are manufacturing these large flexible structures in supporting the weight and relieving the burden of a lot of the physical activity that goes into assembling these structures. This is a small section of a very large tent. This tent is 30 feet by 60 feet, roughly in dimension. It weighs 500 pounds. It's assembled from a large number of pieces. But there's a lot of activities from the operators in reaching and twisting and lifting to support these materials as they go through several manufacturing operations. A key one is actually joining. So this assembly, you can see, is made from several different pieces. There's another scene back here that shows where different pieces are assembled. And in each case, there's a lot of hard work from the operators to manipulate this material to get it into the operations and get it across the floor and move it to the next operation and so forth. So our system relieves a lot of that heavy work. The core technology that we've developed in this project enables multiple robots to work together to solve some complex task. In the case of the large structures, that task involves transporting, manipulating, changing the shape of, stretching, and so forth, the materials used in the large tents. The same technology can be applied to other activities that involve multiple robots.
The impact on the manufacturing side is potentially reducing labor requirements by about 75 to 90%. And what that does isn't eliminate jobs, but it augments jobs. It helps people who are already manufacturing these products manufacture more faster, more reliably without human requirements. It reduces heavy lifting 100%. And allows someone to move a large piece of fabric through a factory floor without 10 people lifting it up and carrying it. The impact from our small business is that we can continue to stay small and lean and manufacture more and develop more and provide the Department of Defense more of what they need faster. And that means that we are able to manufacture more with less. And instead of growing into a footprint of a 200,000 square foot factory with 200 employees, we can be in a smaller, more nimble facility making a handful of different product lines with robotic manufacturing processes. And our existing product lines, we can manufacture cheaper, and more importantly, we can manufacture domestically made to order products versus large volume runs overseas. So this allows Pavilion to do more of its manufacturing domestically.